so thanks for meeting with us this morning.
You're welcome, Jeanette.
So Ron is the current president of the Fraser Valley Real Estate Board.
I am.
And I understand you are also a broker for RE.max Little Oak in Abbotsford.
Correct.
And you've been a realtor since 1981.
That's right.
So we're really looking forward to hearing about your insights about the Fraser Valley market for 2014.
Okay.
But I'd like to ask you, what were some of the biggest surprises of last year that came out of the market?
Great question. I think our biggest surprise here at the board was the fact that the market and prices were so stable. In economic conditions were tough. Job creation wasn't great. They made some changes to lending practices that made it harder for people to get mortgages, and yet people still wanted to buy a home to live in.
And so looking then at 2014, what do you think are going to happen with prices in the Fraser Valley?
What we expect to have happen is we expect that the amount of sales is going to go up about 8% for the 2014, and the amount will go up about 7% in 2015. As far as the prices go, we expect that there'll be a slight rise in the price by about 1%, which is good news for people who are thinking to buy, because with interest rates still very low levels, what it means it's going to be affordable for more people to get into homes.
Great. That's good news. And so what areas are you thinking will be hot this year? Where should I be looking that would be an up-and-coming area?
The up-and-coming areas that are popular, well, if you look at the perspective of a house in Vancouver being roughly $750 to $1 million, in the Fraser Valley Board, a house can be around $500,000. In the Abbotsford area where I am from, a nice house will be about $450,000. So you can actually just about get 2 for 1 if you came out from Vancouver. So there are some areas in Langley that are very popular: Brookswood, Walnut Grove, of course South Surrey is always very popular, White Rock. So in the whole Fraser Valley, I don't think you can make a bad decision.
Right. Well, great. I think looking like it's a strong market then. It's a good time to start getting the house hunting going.
Yes, and the spring market traditionally is a good time. People are feeling better in general. We have great weather here, so people are starting to get out and starting to look. And what I'm finding in my office is that the realtors are saying that they're much busier than the fall market. And of course, that's a seasonal thing too. And so everyone seems to be very busy.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much, Ron, for your time this morning. We appreciate it, and look forward to speaking to you again.
Thank you, Jeanette.